Well, hey everyone, this is Shirish and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm back with one of the another amazing US universities, University of Wisconsin at Madison, or simply known as UW Madison. Well, if you're on the college admission journey, I want to tell you that I have created a super powerful guide that is free to download just for you on shortlisting the right fit colleges for you that can literally save you a ton of hours and most importantly, will save you from a lot of stress. It's one guide you must have for shortlisting colleges to apply to. You can download the guide by clicking on the link in the description box. But for this video, I will give you an in-depth view of the university and will decode the academic, social, and financial aspects of the university with my star ratings. And then I will offer you the most important tips and strategies to get into this university. Make sure to listen closely as I'll be sharing the most important and amazing strategies to get into university. Now let's hit it up for UW Madison. Hi, I'm Shirish Gupta, and I empower people to hack their success, rise above the challenges, and confidently create an extraordinary life they deserve. Wisconsin Madison is a public land grant research university in Madison, Wisconsin. It was established in 1848 as soon as Wisconsin achieved statehood. It is a flagship campus of University of Wisconsin colleges. Wisconsin students and alumni have won over 50 Olympic medals, including 13 gold medals as well, which is amazing. The location of Wisconsin Madison is a city center at Madison, and Madison is a major city in Wisconsin, filled with many worthwhile places to see. Well, you can see a row of State Street pubs and restaurants and a bleached dome of the Wisconsin State Capitol. The weather is cold and is definitely something you will have to deal with once here. But most buildings are centrally heated and connected amongst each other, so might not be such a big deal for you. The buildings are architecturally olden and modern in touch. The mainly brick campus is distinctive. It has a 379-acre campus in size, which is hilly, tree-covered, and across the isthmus of between the two glacial lakes, Mendota and Monona, named by Native Americans who once lived along these shores. It was the first public university established in Wisconsin and remains the oldest and largest public university in the state. The most popular majors at Wisconsin-Madison include economics, biology, computer science, psychology, education, agriculture, communication, and business. Well, although I'm not a big fan of judging a university solely on the basis of their rankings, Wisconsin-Madison is also one of the top 10% universities in the world, according to US News, QS News, and all other major ranking services. All right, now let's move on to our next section, talking about the right fit, starting with academic fit. Well, Madison's academic climate is demanding. It is intense, and there are about 9,000 plus courses, 200 plus undergraduate majors, and about 250 plus master's and doctorate and professional programs. There are 70 programs considered in the top 10 nationally, which is amazing. The general requirements vary among various departments for undergraduate students. All students must fulfill a 3-part graduation requirement in quantitative reasoning, communication, and ethnic studies. Apart from that, many interdisciplinary programs and integrated liberal art education is also present. For postgraduates, there's no such requirement. The university offers a number of undergraduate first-year programs designed to ease the transition into the college life. A first-year seminar encourages students to examine learning strategies, connect with the faculty, staff, and peers, and become familiar with the campus resources. As mentioned earlier, there are no such general course requirements for postgraduate students. Many students participate in internships, and 27% choose to study abroad in programs all across the world, including France, Brazil, India, Israel, and Thailand. Most postgraduates are involved in research in various projects, and also about 38% of undergraduate students are also involved in research. Well, professors at Madison are certainly amongst the nation's best, with Nobel laureates, National Academy of Science members, and other fellows scattered liberally among the departments. The class size at Wisconsin-Madison is small to average. 44% classes have about fewer than 20 students. Well, no class has over 200 students, but first year's classes can go from 150 to 200 at max. So keeping all this thing in mind, I would like to rate Wisconsin-Madison with 4 stars on academic difficulty and quality level, where 5 is the highest level. After academic fit, let's move to social fit. Well, social life is abundant here. You can join one of the over 1,000 student organization and leadership opportunities. Yes, it's huge. There are many ways to become involved on campus, from research and internship to sports and volunteering. There are more film clubs than anyone can follow, and everyone has a favorite bar. while nature enthusiasts can lose themselves in the university's 12,000-acre nature preserve or hit nearby ski slopes. Madison is also an excellent college town and has been the stomping ground for many fine rock and roll and blue bands on the road to fame. Volunteering is a tradition here. The university consistently tops the list for providing the Peace Corps with the most entrants for any college or university in the nation. Wisconsin Madison has about 50,000 students, with about 33,000 as undergrad and rest of the population as PG or PhDs. The university is extremely diverse. 37% students are out of state and about 10% student body is international. 25% of students reside in university housing. Dorms are either co-ed or single gender and come equipped with laundry facilities, game rooms, and lounges. No matter where you live, you will have access to academic resources and support and top amenities. Most also have cafeteria. The student union also offers 2 meal plans, and there are plenty of restaurants and fast food places nearby. There are many off-campus options available as well that can be of interest to students. Wisconsin Madison is popular in sports as well. The Wisconsin Badgers compete in 25 intercollege sports in the NCCA Division I Big Ten Conference and have won about 31 national championships. The most notable are men's cross country, men's and women's soccer, and women's ice hockey. Wisconsin Madison offers competitive academic and good social life as well. I would like to give it 4 stars out of 5 on quality of life at Madison. Well, now let's look at the financial fit. Wisconsin Madison falls in an affordable school category, but the expenditure again depends on the program. You can expect anything about $38,000 to $50,000 in annual tuition expenses, with some postgraduate classes going up to $60,000 at most. The housing and dining is about $16,000 to $18,000 for the range. As far as financial aid is concerned, Wisconsin Madison offers a lot of scholarship opportunities. It awards a lot of merit scholarships along with athletic scholarships in all its sports to deserving students. Academic merit scholarship averaging about $5,000 are awarded each year, along with more than 350 athletic scholarships. So overall, I would like to give 4 stars out of 5 on financial fit. Well, after exploring the fit, let's move to the most curious section on how to increase your chances or even double or triple your chances of getting into Wisconsin Madison with my special admission tips and strategies. The ideas I'm going to share now come from my decade-long experience working with students for career and college admission through my company, which helps students for college application and career planning. Wisconsin Madison also applies the holistic admission approach to all applicants while looking for the perfect fit candidates. According to them, they don't use formulas or charts. They read each application thoroughly, one by one. University of Wisconsin is one of the moderately selective colleges. The acceptance rate last year was about 57%, but it's lower for international students. And with the 87% graduation rate, which is amazing. First thing to do for admission is that they focus on academic excellence and connected preparedness. So your GMAT, GRE, or SAT or ACT and APs also play an important role. Although due to COVID, certain requirements are loosened for coming years. Beyond academics, they look for qualities such as leadership, volunteering, and achievement in arts, athletics, and other areas. They review your extracurriculars and the positive impact they have had on you as a student, like what you have learned, how you have grown. They also seek diversity in one's personal background and experience and your potential for contribution to the Wisconsin community. So remember to show diversity and contribution in your applications. Essays are an opportunity to understand more about you. And also LORs are not a necessary part of most applications at Wisconsin Madison, but an option for providing one is always included. For LORs, you can choose a teacher who knows you well and can tell your story very well, focusing both on your academic and your personal qualities. For postgraduates, make sure to include high-quality academic and professional LOR with your application. For international students, share your English proficiency exam scores. Alumni interviews are an optional component of the application process, available on the limited basis and mostly to postgraduate students. Undergraduates don't need to interview for the application. Make sure you research the requirements well in advance to avoid any last-minute surprises. As for the deadlines, for admission, Wisconsin Madison offers 2 deadlines for undergraduate students, that is early action, and that is generally November 1 of the preceding year of your entry, and the other one is regular decision, which is about January 15th. You can use either a common application or coalition to apply. For all postgraduate courses, they have individual department deadlines with either 1 or 2 deadlines between September to March every year. Transfer applicants are welcome as well, depending upon the availability, with application accepted between November to around February, March, depending upon the course. Well, in the end, to conclude, if you are academically oriented, hardworking, fun-loving, and you need scholarship and that is slightly important for you, Wisconsin Madison is for you. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please make sure to support my work by liking and sharing this video, and also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. If you want to get admission to Wisconsin Madison or other top universities, I would highly recommend you to check out this online course which can give you an amazing result for your college application. Well, I've created this course with 11 years of my expertise and helped thousands of students to get admitted to top colleges such as Harvard, MIT, Stanford, Oxford, Wisconsin Madison, and all other universities. This course packs the most advanced college admission strategies for university shortlisting, profile building, essay writing, college interviews, and everything else that will make sure you get into the school of your choice. As I said again, it's an online DIY do-it-yourself course, so you can absolutely enjoy this course at your pace. Well, thank you once again, and I'll be back with another amazing video for you. Till then, this is Shirish signing off. Take care and have a good one. Bye-bye.